timer Adarsh Chandran here. Toastmaster Adarsh Chandran hails from India and he attends at least 3 to 4 meetings every day. Would you believe it? In the past 2 years, Toastmaster Adarsh Chandran has attended 832 meetings, perhaps this is 833 today, and visited almost 400 different clubs across the globe. He has delivered about 300, more than 350 speeches, adding up to 2,500 minutes of speaking, which is equivalent to 43 hours of speaking time. Would you believe it? A Toastmaster for all seasons, for all countries, for all places. The timer of the day, that was Toastmaster Adarsh Chandran. There is no way we are going to have any misunderstanding with regards to timing today, because we have such an experienced Toastmaster handling the timer's role.